Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be reacting to the PS5 teardown. This video will probably, hopefully, show like the internals of the new upcoming PS5, and hopefully it has the good cooling system, because no one wants the jet sound, do they? Yeah, just wanted to react to it. I haven't watched it yet. And from the thumbnail, it looks huge. It looks very big. So the main thing for me is the size. No one is talking about it, but I have a feeling it's really big. So yeah, we can see that in the video now. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, for information only, do not try this at home. Risk of exposure to laser radiation. Laser radiation? Oh my god, what technology is in this? No. Okay, PlayStation 5 teardown. Come on, I want to see the size. Looks big. It's huge.
PlayStation 5 です。
It's so big.
サイズは幅104ミリ。
It's in Japanese, apparently. Oh, it's in Japanese. Okay, anyways. Sony's a Japanese company, I think, so. That's big. It's like from his neck to your waist. Oh my gosh. Type C. USB Type C, that's good. Oh, got both of them. That's good. One for the future, one for now. Alright, that's good. Super speed. One port. Only one HDMI. Okay. It's alright, that's all fine. Air vents, yeah, we know that. Oh my god, the back. I like the back. Back looks ugly. What? The air vents looks like a car vent. What the hell? Alright, you can take that off. Where am I gonna get that screw from? Is it like, did they give you the screw thing? Not the screw, the tool, because... Oh, what? So you put the... Huh? You can put the screw in there. Oh, that's so good. That's good. You can put the screw in there. Okay, so you don't lose the screw. Oh, that's cool. It like indicates where to put it on. Okay, that's if you want to put it on sideways. Where's the lights? Oh, maybe the lights is when you turn it on. Yeah, obviously. Oh, what's he gonna do? No. Is he actually taking that off? Oh, just like that? Just like that? Oh, that's gonna break so easily, I just know it. It's so thin and it's plastic. Alright, the fan. Jeez. Oh, that's good. It's like the vacuum things, I think. That's good. Alright, there's multiple of them, so yeah. Oh, that looks empty now, like without the sides. It looks really weird. Okay, it's a bit of the motherboard, I think. Oh, you can take the grill off too. I probably can take everything off, obviously, but like... Well, why did you take that sticker off? Oh, shoot. Oh, dude. And taking that off too, okay? It all sounds like really thin plastic. It feels like it can break easily, but... Oh, what? Okay. Oh, that's a fan? Oh, it's a big fan. Pretty big fan. Not gonna lie. I wanna know what that big lump is. The silver bit right now. What is that? Oh, you can take... What? You literally take everything off. I mean, obviously, but still. Yeah, what's that? Oh, that's a Blu-ray. Okay, good. Oh, this is the disc version he's showing us. Alright, cool. Dude, that's a big Blu-ray DVD player.
リスク回電時も
It doesn't look. Yeah, isn't the normal one on the left? Maybe that's for like sound cancellation. Maybe, I don't know.
Bluetooth 5.1のアンテナにつながるケーブルを外します。
Okay. I'm not exactly sure what he's doing because I'm not too good at this, but trying to understand as much as I can. I'm not pro in this. I don't know too much, but okay. That's the motherboard. Yeah. Okay, that's the motherboard. That is big. Ooh, that's big. That's a big motherboard. Mate, be careful. Oh, there's stuff on the other side too. Alright, nice.
CPU は8コア16スレッドで
That's the CPU.
3.5 GHz で駆動します。
Okay, that's a CPU.
CPU は最大 2.23
CPU and GPU
10.3 TB
are right in the middle.
メモリーは GDDR6
Is that SSD?
バンド幅は最大で毎秒 448GB です。
Yeah, SSD. Okay, cool. Is it? No.
ストレージは HDD に代わり 825GB の
That's
SSD を
SSD,
コードで実装しています。
Yep, on the other side.
カスタムの SSD コントローラーにより読み込み速度
Controller?
生データの検証速度で
I'm not sure what that
毎秒
is.
5.5GB と高速化され
Looks very complicated.
ロード時間を大幅に
A lot of engineering gone into this.
PS5 の SoC は小型の台
I just wish I knew what he was saying because I don't know what he's saying right now, but
シリコン台の熱密度が非常に高く
that's a big CPU, isn't it? Like,
と呼ばれる熱伝導剤
it
の
looks big.
大幅な性能アップが必要でした PS5 では長期で
Oh, that's nice.
高い冷却性能を
PS5 is written on the
コーティング
motherboard.
に液体金属を採用しました我々は2年以上前から
Liquid metal?
を採用するための準備をしてきま
What's
した
that for?
考えうるありとあらゆる
Oh, if I knew what he was saying, I would know, but like, I don't know what that is. Liquid metal. Is that like mercury? Why do you need mercury in a PS5? Whoa, that's a heat
それ
sink.
が PS5 のヒートシンクで
Yep,
す
that's a heat sink. That's big.
PS5
Okay, I think cooling this year and I mean this next gen consoles are gonna be next level.
ベーパーチャンバーと同等の
That much space for a heat sink. Now we know why how bulky it is. What's that? What is it? He didn't say what I don't know. It didn't come up. I don't know what it is, but oh, is that all the parts?
これがプレイステーション5の全部品です
Okay, not bad. They fit all of that in that little bit, but I don't know if they need such a big heat sink. Can't they do it with like? Okay, PlayStation. Cool. The size. Oh my god. That is one big PlayStation, big console. I don't know. I would go with the Xbox with the size. Looking at the size. I mean, not just for the size, but like a size is a big factor, especially for like people in probably playing in their bedrooms or something. They don't have much space. Or like it feels like too, like if you take the PlayStation 1 or the original PlayStation, it's like double that. It's like a whole PC that. Oh my god, that is big. Very big. The heatsink is good. Hopefully no jet noises anymore because I don't know what they were thinking when they were making the PS4. The sound. We all know that the sound of the PS4. Apart from that, I don't know what the liquid metal is. Is that mercury? If you know, can you let me down in the comments now? Can you let me know? Because I'm not too sure and I'm not like a professional at this. I'm not too sure what it's for and if it is like something like mercury. It looks like mercury, liquid metal. Or the liquid metal could be... No, I'm not too sure. Actually, I have no idea what that is. CPU looked a bit bigger, but I guess, yeah. SSD was 825, isn't it? Yeah, it's 825 gigabytes. When you saw all the stuff laid out, it's like, wow, they fit all of that into one console, which is pretty cool. I wonder how Xbox do it. I actually really wonder if the technology is the same How have Xbox fit it in pretty much almost half the size? I don't know. What have Microsoft done that they can fit all of that in that rectangle, but PlayStation have done it, like, it's huge. I don't know. Not many people are talking about the size. For me, the size is huge. I don't know why, but it's big. Hopefully, this doesn't, like, it just stays at this size for the future, because I don't know how much bigger they're gonna go. This isn't even console size. This feels like PC size, honestly. So I'm not even sure right now. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not a professional at this, so I don't know if I've missed anything. We'll see you next time. Bye.